Ultra Sailing in Croatia accompanies boat owners and investors since 1997 in the fulfillment of their dream. We are proud to be the only representatives in Croatia for the French renowned shipyards Beneteau Sailing and Fountaine Pajot catamarans.
So finalizing this season with 246.1 in a row. One is just the final process, so we just put the mast in the boat, and now we're putting the stays and connecting the mast until the end. Tomorrow we will do the second one, and after that the boat will be able to receive the sails, and we will go to the final marina in Split.
With over 60 boats in our unique and exclusive Beneteau charter fleet and over 500 boat deliveries since 1999, we are recognized for providing high-quality boats for both private owners and charter markets all over the Adriatic. Of course, we do sales and brokerage. Only last year, we delivered 20 new Beneteau sailing boats.
At Ultra Sailing, we also deal with commissioning, delivery and after-sales. We have a dedicated team who takes care of keys-in-hand deliveries. This means that we take care of everything from the order to the final handover to the customer. This includes underwater protection works, mast trimming, electrical installation, and many other safety equipment and nautical devices. The warranty and service is also supplied by our experienced team. Of course, we are also ready to help our boat owners if they need a maintenance program or custom post-production installations. With the dedication of more than 40 employees specialized in the nautical business, Ultra Sailing has spread to major locations in Croatia: Pula, Dubrovnik, Split and Trogir. Our headquarters are in Split, ATI Marina. It is easy to access with Split International Airport and recent highway. Central Dalmatia is the hotspot for charter business, and Ultra Sailing is a major actor of this market in Croatia. We offer more than 60 sailboats and 15 catamarans for rent each season. These are mainly privately owned boats under our charter management program. To ensure outstanding reservation rates, we have an efficient and friendly booking department. 4 bookers take shifts on a 12-hour day to ensure responsiveness and availability to our worldwide prospects. From 30 to 50 feet sailing boats we offer bareboat charter, and for bigger units we offer crew boats with professional skippers. Our field team covers all aspects from winter maintenance and boat preparation to a personalized check-in process for each charter guest. Sailing is not only a business, it is also a passion present in the company's DNA. The aim of Ultra Sailing has always been to popularize sailing and sailing activities. We have taught more than 1,000 sailors since 1995. Many of them later became boat owners with our help. Our CEO and founder is the author of the book Sailing Skills. It is a reference for aspiring sailors in Croatia. It is also very valued in its English translation by our students from all around the world. To learn more about our services, organize a boat trial in Croatia, or even visit the shipyard in France, feel free to contact us.